Good morning, students. 5 good morning. Aditya is first to write good morning. Yes. How are you? Prarthana, what happened? What you are searching? Okay, take out your math magic. We will start math magic. Take out the math magic. Okay. For 5 oak. Yes. Listen. We were doing parts and wholes, isn't it? So everyone take out math magic parts and wholes, chapter number 4, and we have already discussed page number 50 and 51 half we have discussed, isn't it? For page number 51 we have discussed that in page number 51 there is a flag given of math club in a school in Kerala, and it is being divided into 5 parts, and you have to answer that how many of the 5 parts is colored red, isn't it? So what you have done, the question was what part of the flag is colored red. So there are 5 parts, isn't it? So out of 5 parts 2 were red. So what you have written, 2 by 5, isn't it? You have written 2 by 5. Yuthin, don't move, look at me and start the studying. Okay, see, what part of the flag is colored red? This answer you have already written, that 2 by 5 part of the flag is colored red. When it is asked part, that means you have to write in fraction. Clear? Then next one, what part is green? Now out of these 5 parts there are only 1 part, that is green. So you will write 1 by 5 part of the flag is in green color. This you have already done in Friday, on Friday. Then see this black logo, draw it. I think I have given this you as homework, that draw that logo. And one more question was there after that, is there a math club in your school? No, we don't have the math club in our school, isn't it? But we have different math activities. We have the maths lab in our school, isn't it? And we are frequently we are having different maths activities. Now see, if not, ask your teacher how to set it up. Design a flag for your math club and draw it here. Yes, when you will come back to the school, we will have one math club, and we will have some different activities in that math clubs, including some puzzles, then some types of tangrams we will do in that math club. Okay. Now for that you have to draw a flag for that math club, and for that the space is given just below the picture. Now again one question is there, have you used the red color? Now it is being asked that have you used the red color? If yes, then you will write yes. If you are drawing the flag and if you are using the red color, you will write yes. What part of the flag did you color red? Now what part is asked, that means you have to write in fraction, that what fraction of the red color you have drawn. Clear? Then what were the other colors you choose? Now what are the other colors you have chosen, that also you will write. This is a activity based, so I think you can do of your own, but when we will meet in the school, we will discuss about this flag in the school. Okay. Now just turn the page, come to page number 52. Come to page number 52. No, you will not do in the math copy, Yutin. You will do in the book with the help of pencil. Okay. Need not to do in the copy, you will do it in the book. Now just come to page number 52. Everyone come to page number 52. Srijan, now you are writing good morning. While now we have already started the class. We have already started class. Norin is also writing now good morning. Okay. Now come to page number 52. Everyone come to page number 52. Page number 52. See, I am reading, you go through it. Okay. Magic top. Let us make a magic top. Take a cardboard piece, draw a circle of radius 3 cm and cut it out. Take a big cardboard and with the help of the compass, you draw 3 cm. And I think you all know how to draw the circle, because in class 4 you have read to draw the circle. Okay. So, you will take 3 cm as the radius. 3 cm as the radius and draw one circle in that cardboard and then cut it out. Clear? Divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Now each part is 1/8 of the circle. Now you divide the whole circle into 8 parts. 8 equal parts, not parts, 8 equal parts. Okay. And each part, that means whatever part you have divided, the each part is equals to 1/8 of that whole circle. One part means 1/8. Total is 8, so it is by 8. Next, color 2/8 red. Now out of that 8 parts, 2 parts you will color it red. Okay. Now 1/8 orange. Similarly, out of that 8 parts, 1 part you will color it orange. Then 1/8 yellow. Now out of that 8 parts, 1 part you will color yellow, etc. like this. That means take different colors, but 2 parts you will color red, 1 part you will color orange and 1 part you will color red, yellow. Now you draw, you color the other parts also like this. Push a matchstick through the center of the circle. Now take a matchstick and just push inside the spinning top or inside the top where you have done the center, where you have kept the point of that rounder, that is the center point of the circle. So in that center point of the circle you push one matchstick as it is shown in your book. Okay. Now see, your magic top is ready. Now your magic top is ready. Spin it fast. Now hold it from the top and just spin it, and you spin it very fast. What do you see? Listen everyone, just mute your microphone, otherwise you will not be able to listen. Everyone mute your microphone. And since it is outside is heavy rain, outside it is heavy rain, might be that is the problem. Okay. Everyone mute your microphone, otherwise there will be the unpleasant sound. Okay. Yes. Now see, the question is, can you see all the colors? Write over the chat box, is it possible that you are seeing all the colors, like red, orange, yellow, purple, green, whatever color you have used in the spinning top? Can you see all the colors when the top is spinning? When the top is spinning, can you see all the colors? No. Otishman, Yutin, all are saying no. Srijan is also saying no. Can you see? Others, the girls, write the answer. Can you see the color? Then what color you are able to see? When you are spinning the top, what color you are seeing? What color you are seeing? When you are spinning the top, what color you are able to see? Devapriya, why you are writing yes? You are able to see the colors? Shivam is also writing yes, you are able to see all the colors. No, it is not possible. You will not be able to see the colors, okay. Only the white color you can see. Only the white color is visible. Means all the colors it gets mixed up and you are able to see only the white color, okay. Whenever you are spinning the top very fast, when it is slow you can see the colors, but when it is spinning very fast, at that time you are able to see only white color, because all the colors they mix up when it is spinning, okay, and your eyes just it can see only the white color. So this answer you write it in the copy. This answer you write it in the copy. Aditya, where is the answer from your side? Aditya, where is the answer from your side? Write the answer in the chat box. That can you see the colors? All the colors. Others, take out your maths copy and write this answer in the maths copy. Yes, now you are writing no ma'am, Aditya. Others, take out the copy and write in the copy. This is page 52. Question 1. Can you see all the colors while spinning the top? Might be the question will come like this, that can you see all the colors while spinning the top? Can you see all the colors while spinning the top? Okay. So your answer will be when the magic top is spinning, we cannot see the colors properly. When the magic top is spinning, we cannot see the colors properly. We see a white circular top spinning. Okay. We see just a white circular top, it is spinning. This question you write in the copy. Then come to the next question. Practice time. Practice time. See, for practice time, number 1 or A, chocolate bar. Manju had a chocolate. She gave 1/4 of it to Raji, 1/3 of to Shugatha and 1/6 to Sheila. She ate the remaining part. How many pieces of chocolate did she did each get? Right here. See, this is a chocolate bar as it is shown in your book. Okay, that chocolate bar, it has 12 pieces. From that 12 pieces, 1/4 of the piece is given to Razi, then 1/3 of the piece is given to Sugata, and 1/6 to Sheila. You have to find it out. She ate the remaining part. Now whatever was left, it was eaten by Manju. You have to find that how many pieces of the chocolate did this each friend of Manju has got. Okay, so this you will write in the copy. So start writing in the copy. I think you have completed this one. Oh, Srijan, not completed. Write fast. Write fast, Srijan. You have written side, please. Now I am side. So quickly write it down so that I can write the next question. Yes, Chandralekha, what you are typing? The question we have to write. No, Chandralekha, the question is already in your book. No need to write the question. Just the solution you will write in the copy. Okay. The solution you will write in the copy. Yes. Practice time. And you are doing question number A. Okay. So first of all you write that total number of pieces for the chocolate. Total number of pieces of chocolate. It is 12. Okay. So total pieces of chocolate in a big bar. In the big bar of the chocolate there are 12 pieces. That's why I have written that total number of pieces of the chocolate is equals to 12 of a chocolate. Here you write of a chocolate is equals to 12. Now fraction of chocolate given to Razi. Fraction of chocolate given to Razi. It is 1/4. So therefore number of pieces of chocolate Razi got is equals to 1/4 of 12 pieces he has got. That means 1/4 into 12. When you will cancel it, 4 3s are 12. So that means 3 pieces Razi has got. 3 pieces of the chocolate Razi has got. Now for Sugata. Again you will write fraction of chocolate Sugata got or given to Sugata. Given to Sugata. It is 1/6. Okay, 1/6. Sorry, it is 1/3. Not 6, 1/3. Therefore, number of pieces of chocolate Sugata got. Now it will be 1/3 of 12. That means 1/3 into 12 is equals to 4 pieces. That means 4 pieces. That means 4 pieces. Four pieces. Acha, all have completed. Can I rub the board? All have completed. Can I rub the board? All have completed. I am rubbing the board. See, number of pieces Sugatha got is 1/3. Okay, you are not able to see the downward. I am writing once again. I am writing once again. Number of pieces Sugatha got is 1/3 of 12. That means 1/3 into 12, that is 4 pieces. Okay, 4 pieces. Now you will find for Sheila. So write it. Fraction of chocolate given to Sheila. Given to Sheila is equals to 1/6. So therefore, number of pieces Sheila got is equals to 1/6 of 12. That means 1/6 into 12 is equals to 2 pieces. So Sheila got 2 pieces. Answer will be, now you will write the answer. How many pieces of chocolate did each get? So you will write Razi got 3 pieces. Next, Sugatha got 4 pieces and Sheila got 2 pieces of chocolate. Okay. So Razi got 3 pieces, Sugatha got 4 pieces and Sheila got 2 pieces of the chocolate. That means out of 12 pieces, 9 pieces, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, yes, 9 pieces of the chocolate is being distributed. So how much is left? Out of 12 pieces, 9 pieces of the chocolate is being divided among Razi, Sugatha and Sheila. So how much is left? That will be the answer for, that will be the answer for Manju. Okay, because one more question is there. What part of the chocolate did Manju eat? What part of the chocolate did Manju eat? So you will write Manju, or number of pieces, number of pieces of chocolate Manju got is equals to, total was 12 minus 3 pieces was for Razi, 4 pieces was for Sugatha and 2 pieces was for Sheila. That means 12 minus 9 is equals to 3 pieces. 3 pieces of the chocolate Manju got. So here the question is, what part of the chocolate did Manju eat? What part is given? That means you have to write the, fraction. Okay. So 3 Out of 12, 3 parts she has eaten. Okay, out of 12, 3 parts she has eaten. Manju has eaten 3 parts out of 12. So you will write Manju ate 3 by 12, or when you will cancel it will be 1 by 4. Part 1 by 4 part of the chocolate. Manju ate 3 by 12 or 1 by 4 part of the chocolate. Clear? Yes, you all have given the right answer. Noreen, Aditya, it is 3. But how 3? We have find it out how it is 3. Okay. Shohini, what happened? Okay, listen students, for parts and wholes you will practice fraction in composite maths. Okay, you will practice fraction in composite maths for parts and wholes. In Math Magic it will be parts and wholes, and in composite maths it will be fraction. Clear? Okay, 5 Oak, any doubt up to this? Any doubt up to this? 4 Oak, 5 Oak, sorry, I am saying 4 Oak. It is 5 Oak, isn't it? If you have any doubts, write over the chat box. Okay, when you don't have the doubt, so we will do the next one, that is number B, in our next class. Color the hats. Okay, color the hats, we will do it in our next class. So today up to this only you practice the maths, and if there is any doubt or any queries related to this parts and wholes, kindly let me know so that I can solve your problem. Okay, so today up to this only. Goodbye everyone, and be safe at home and practice maths. At least 1 to 2 hours every day you practice maths. 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the evening you practice maths. Okay, so bye all of you, and be safe at home, and you join your next class. Okay, you join the next class. Ochishman, what type of faces you are sending? Huh? Is it me or is it you? Then who is that? 2 faces you have sent, that means one is you and one is for me. Orjishman, I can see here. Noreen, why buy ma'am? B-U-Y, buy. That means you will buy ma'am in the price. Okay. Okay. Bye all of you, and be safe.